I use 5 main steps to create viral horror videos with these free AI tools. And in this video, I'm going to share all 5 of them so that you'll never run out of viral horror videos ever again. So let's start with step number 1. Video ideas. Ever feel like your videos just aren't clicking? You polish the script, edit them to perfection, but those views just aren't popping. The truth bomb? It might be your video idea itself. Yep, a bad idea can't be saved even by the most epic editing. But fear not, we're about to crack the code on picking those viral gold video ideas for your horror videos. So ditch the duds and get ready to take your content to the next level. Now, let's use Google Gemini to find your first viral video ideas. To do this, go to Google Gemini and use this prompt related to horror stories. Don't worry, the prompt is in the description of this video. Just copy it, then paste it to Google Gemini. Then, click Generate. Google Gemini will give us 25 video ideas. We will just need to select the one we prefer. And let's go to step 2. Scripting. Now, when it comes to scripting our video, YouTube seems to favor videos that keep viewers engaged for longer. So ditch the short scripts and dive deeper. Give your viewers valuable information they can use. Plus, a strong hook is essential. Grab their attention with a question, surprising fact, or even a funny meme. And finally, emotions are powerful. Make them laugh, inspire them, or even give them a good scare. Anything to keep them watching. But I'm too lazy to do those things, so I'll ask Google Gemini to write me the whole script. So head back to Google Gemini and paste this prompt. Basically, the prompt says to generate a script from the video idea you choose. So we proceed and hit generate. Google Gemini will provide us with the script. We will just copy it and paste it to your notepad or any word editor you prefer. Then edit it. And now we have the script. Let's proceed to step 3, voiceover. Now you have 2 options. If your voice is smoking hot, just grab a mic and record your script. But if you're not blessed by the voiceover gods, AI is for you. There are tons of text-to-speech tools out there, but the one I use is called ELEVENLABS. In fact, the voice you're listening to right now is made by this thing. Check the description for the link if you want to try it out. Now, all you need to do is choose a voice. Then paste your script to generate the voiceover and let the AI do its magic. If you are not satisfied with the results, we can take it to the next level. Use commas, exclamation marks, and capital letters to get different tones. And generating it a few times also helps to get the best result. Now, if you are satisfied with the voiceover, let's go to step number 4. Visuals. Next, we'll create the visuals for our video. Let's start by generating images. We'll use Leonardo AI for this. Go to Leonardo AI and select Image Generation. Select Cinematic Chemo for the presets. Then, set the image dimensions to 16 by 9 and medium. For each script line, input the main keywords or topic into the prompt box and generate images. Choose the best image from each set and download it. Once you have all your images, we'll turn them into animated clips using Immersity AI. This tool can be found using the link in the description. Sign up with your Google account. To convert an image, simply drag and drop it into the tool. Customize the animation style, length, and other settings to your liking. Export and save the animation. And repeat this process for all your images. With all your animated clips ready, we're ready to combine them into a final video. So let's proceed to step 5, editing. I will show this part in CapCut PC, but you can do the same in every editing software. First, let's set up our workspace. Adjust your windows to match this layout or create a setup that works best for you. Now, let's bring in your voiceover. Import it into your project and place it on the timeline. To quicken the pace, use the split tool to cut out pauses and overlap the clips. Listen closely to ensure it sounds natural. Repeat this process for the entire voiceover. Great job! Next, we'll add visual elements to complement the audio. Let's bring all your footage into CapCut. We'll visually complement your voiceover by adding related clips. Don't forget to include 1 or 2 interactive elements to keep your audience engaged. We've just created a rough cut. Now comes the fun part. Let's start by resizing all your clips to fit the screen perfectly. Next is the captions. You can't find a single viral video without this one. It's a magical element that is stupidly simple, yet increases the retention so much. This part is based on personal preference and branding of your channel. But to give you an example, I've used these templates and adjusted its settings to achieve this look, but feel free to experiment. Creating a unique style can help your videos stand out and capture attention. Play with different sizes, colors, and effects until you find something you love. Then, put some effects on the clips with CapCut's presets. Next, put in the transitions. Done, but something is still missing. Sound effects and background music are a different video topic by itself, but if you have never used them before and don't know where to start, a free pack from CapCut would do the job. If you need more, head over to a royalty-free music provider called Epidemic Sound. You can try it out for 1 week for free with the link below. In Epidemic Sound, just download all the sound effects and background music needed and put it in CapCut. Just be careful and don't make it too loud. Before finishing, I like to add this effect on top of everything. And finally, we can export the final video, and here are the results.
The glow of neon signs danced across Luna's face, a vibrant counterpoint to the chilling world on her monitor. Her laughter filled the air, a beacon of confidence against the pixelated monsters of the horror game. Luna, a rising star in the streaming world, was moments away from conquering another boss. Then, a glitch. The screen flickered like a dying light bulb. The once playful music contorted into a low, ominous hum. Luna, sensing the shift, reached for the power button, a flicker of worry crossing her features. But the darkness wasn't just on the screen. A new sound emerged. A chilling scratch from the corner of the room beyond the camera's view. Panic flooded the chat as Luna's voice, barely a whisper, pierced the silence. We, the viewers, became voyeurs to her escalating terror. The camera panned slowly, revealing a sliver of something dark and shapeless lurking in the shadows. It was a glimpse of pure nightmare, a promise of something unspeakable. A scream, sharp and raw, shattered the tense silence. The camera tumbled, capturing a distorted image of the figure lunging from the darkness.
Here's a bonus tip to supercharge your channel's growth. Focus on consistent skill improvement. You've probably heard the importance of consistency, but I'm not talking about your upload schedule. Instead, concentrate on steadily enhancing your video making abilities. Whether it's editing, thumbnail design, or any other aspect, small, consistent steps can lead to massive improvements over time. Imagine building wealth. Even small deposits can create a fortune. So instead of burning yourself out with endless uploads, dedicate short bursts to honing your craft. Watch a quick tutorial, practice for 15 minutes, or read a relevant chapter. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the goal. Stay dedicated, stay curious, and watch your skills flourish. Now that you know how to create free viral horror videos with AI, you'll definitely want to check out this next.